Just a girl in her garden. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mariah. This video is kind of exciting because I am going to be putting together my Greenstalk, my vertical Greenstalk planter. Is that the name of it? Now I feel very intimidated though because I just don't know what I'm doing. And this is supposed to be like an easy, stress-free kind of planting. You just put the stuff in, let it do what it's supposed to do, you know, when you water the top. The design of it is really cool, but I just feel just a teeny tiny intimidated by it. I'm still excited. So let's just get started. I think that I want it to go right here where this chair is at. If I need to move it, my mom bought me some wheels to go on the bottom so I can easily move it around. But I think that I want it to go on the porch. That's where I see it in my head. That's where I've always seen it, on the porch. I have my 2 bags of soil right here. This is the soil that I'm gonna be using. It's potting mix and it is a 50-quart bag. So I have 2 50-quart bags. I think that should be enough for this. I also have Malachi here. He's gonna help, maybe, but he is in the mix. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Push that down. And look how cute this is. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Okay. I was mistaken. I got the 5-tier, not the 4-tier. I ended up giving one to my mom and she's got 2 of them at her house. I gave her one empty one and she was gonna give me one that had strawberries. At the bottom, I'm gonna put some cucumber. I'm gonna put some broccoli at the bottom here and have some Brussels sprouts that I'm gonna put at the bottom as well. Hey, I'm so excited. Here we go. Yes. Yes, buddy.
Yes, buddy.
Yes, buddy.
Yes, buddy.
Yes, buddy. good already. Yeah, we're gonna have some veggies. I really think that this whole system is like really sleek and it's kind of pretty. This one's gonna have some onion, some carrot, some pepper, and then I might add some more marigold. In this one, I've got two different types of lettuces, some spinach, and I think I'm gonna save a few spots because my mom also has tomato. I have an empty spot in one of these too. Okay, so let me get the dirt out of here. I think how it works I don't think the top one has that, or does it? Here she is. I just think this is so beautiful. Beautiful. So at this point now, all I have to do is water. So I'm gonna go get the hose and start watering it.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold her pretty head up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher.
It's filling up, and then it'll start watering each of these cubes. So cool.
Higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is what we come for. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your...
I'm just gonna fill it up a few times because the strawberries I got from my brother-in-law and my sister, and my mom also gave me some of the vegetables too, and they said make sure to water them because they were, I guess, maybe on the verge of dying or super dry. I'm gonna fill this up again, and then we should be okay. I gave it a bath, so I think it's okay. We're also gonna be getting some rain too. Not tonight, but I think tomorrow and the next few days. So that'll be good too. I don't know if you can see the water in there, but you can kind of see it's dripping down. And it works its way down. It works its way down each tier. I just think that is so cool. And I have the tube that I put on at the beginning. I've got that down at the bottom, so it's dripping onto my failed garden. Actually, let's take a look because that one kind of looks bigger. We're gonna give it some water too. This did not look like this before. We also have this down here. Okay. This is getting bigger. This is getting bigger. This is bigger. I hope they're not weeds. Are they weeds? Can I see that? Let's water these plants. That is really incredible. If you saw my video from a few weeks ago when I started the garden, you would have saw then. I still didn't know what I was doing, but it's been weeks and nothing. I looked down there today and there's something. Now I have to confirm if they are weeds, but that just makes me so happy. That makes me really happy because I was just like, it's not doing nothing. This is making me really happy too. Just the girl in her garden. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I didn't stress you out too much. This was actually a lot of fun. If you are a beginner like me, you don't know what you're doing, I think this is the way to go. Like I said, this is a 5-tier, but I have to get the 5th tier from my mom tomorrow. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I just think it's such a cool design, cool idea. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I mean, it's literally in this corner of the porch and it's out of the way. It will get some sunlight and it's on wheels, so if I do need to move it to a different area of the porch or, you know, wherever, I can do so with ease. And nothing is growing yet, but seeing my starter garden down here is starting to thrive. It is giving me hope that this will do what it's supposed to do. And I think you'll have just as much fun putting this together as me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.